Hey folks, my name is Krishna. If you're new to the channel, welcome. In this video, we'll talk about how you can easily make a scroll like you see here. I'll share with you some powerful tricks that you can use. So let's get right into it. Let's start off by actually making a swooping line as follows. And what we're going to do is we're simply going to duplicate this swoop. On Photoshop, you can hit Command J or Control J, makes a copy of your existing layer. Then we're going to scale this copy down. We'll hit the Transform tool, Command T, Control T, and we'll move it down and we'll move it out like so. Then we'll hit Enter. On a brand new layer, we'll actually go ahead and look at certain points along this particular set of curves. So the top 2 points, we'll just draw a line to connect those two. The bottom 2 points, we'll draw a line to connect those two. And then we'll do the same thing for the ends right here. And now we've got this sheet of paper. I can always erase the excess. So I'll merge my layers and I hit Command X to cut. And I can shade this area in. So that's the basic principle. Let's make a little bit more of a complicated scroll. So we'll do something like this. Command J, move it over. Command T, scale it down. And you want to scale it down in such a way that you're creating what's going to be known as a vanishing point right here. In other words, this line from the top of this point to the top of this point, you'll connect those two. Connect those two lines. Connect the bottom points. And even the parts that you see it towards the very end here. And so now I can fill those areas that are covered in shadow just to make it easier to see. And voila, we've got a simple scroll. And you can always add rollers onto your scroll. You can always add some text. It's just that when you're adding the text, keep in mind that I'll just indicate text by way of lines here. I'm going to find the midpoint, find the midpoint, find the midpoint. And you can see how the lines that I'm creating here will also converge back towards the same vanishing point that I started with. So it's a simple, small technique that I think will hopefully juice up your creativity. Very easy to draw scrolls. It's something that I think that will be a good feel-good exercise, especially if you're new to digital art. So if you found value in this video, consider giving it a thumbs up so more folks can find it. We just broke 2,000 subscribers, so thank you all for making this channel a success, and onward and upward. And let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. See ya.